In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RSI in Thinkorswim. To get started, open Thinkorswim web and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, make sure you're on the main trading interface so you can access the charting tools. If you're new to Thinkorswim, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and once you do it once, it becomes very easy to repeat on any chart you want to analyze. Next, go to the Charts tab at the top of the platform. This is where you'll load the stock, ETF, or any other asset you want to review. Open the chart for the symbol you're interested in and give it a moment to load fully so all the chart controls are visible. After that, look for the Studies button near the upper right area of the chart. In some layouts, this may also appear as a beaker or flask icon. Click on it to open the Studies menu. This is where Thinkorswim keeps all of its technical indicators and chart overlays. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Studies. This will open a new window where you can search for indicators and manage the studies currently applied to your chart. In the search box, type RSI. As you type, the platform should filter the list and show the relative strength index study. Once you see RSI in the available studies list, select it and click Add Selected. You can also simply double-click RSI to add it more quickly. Now click Apply and then click OK. As soon as you do that, the RSI indicator will appear in a separate panel below your main price chart. This separate panel makes it easier to monitor momentum without cluttering the chart itself. If you want to customize the RSI settings, you can do that as well. Go back to Studies and then Edit Studies again. In the Active Studies list, select RSI and then click the gear icon to open its settings. Here you can adjust the length, which is typically set to 14 by default. You can also change the overbought level, usually set to 70, and the oversold level, usually set to 30. In addition, you can choose the average type and modify the colors or line styles so the indicator